In September 2024, the Guiding Light Art Company, or the GLAC Studio, welcomed a bright and enthusiastic student, Chloe Monique Rosenburg, as a student assistant. Her journey with the GLAC Studio was not just about art, it was about creativity, collaboration, and community service, all of which align perfectly with the International Baccalaureate or IB Diploma programs, Creativity, Activity and Service, that is CAS subject. Through this experience, Chloe exemplified the true essence of CAS by engaging deeply with the 7 core learning outcomes, developing her strengths, overcoming challenges, and making a meaningful impact, identifying own strengths and developing areas for growth. From the very beginning, Chloe recognized her strengths in art and her ability to connect with children. However, she also identified areas where she could grow, such as leadership, communication, and classroom engagement. Over time, she developed these skills, becoming more confident in guiding young artists and even taking on planning responsibilities for the sessions, demonstrating that challenges have been undertaken, developing new skills in the process. Chloe's role was far from just assisting. She took on the challenge of helping the GLAC Studio transition into a more structured weekend schedule. Adjusting to this change requires adaptability, problem solving, and teamwork. By actively engaging in the restructuring, she gained experience in recognizing groups, managing time effectively, and ensuring that each child continued to receive the support that they needed, demonstrating on how to initiate and plan a CAS experience. Chloe didn't just participate, she planned. When the GLAC Studio launched the Innovative Learning Center project, Chloe took the initiative to design a new creative curriculum for its workshop. She researched different teaching methods, developed lesson plans, and structured activities to enhance artistic learning. Her ability to take an idea and execute it with careful planning is an ideal example that aligns with the CAS objectives, showing commitment to and perseverance in CAS experiences. One of the most remarkable aspects of Chloe's journey was her unwavering commitment. She remained consistently engaged in the program for 6 months, showing up week after week to support the children. Her ability and dedication were instrumental in maintaining the quality of the sessions and ensuring the smooth transition to a new structure. Even when faced with challenges, she remained persistent, proving her dedication to both the students and the institution, demonstrating the skills and recognizing the benefits of working collaboratively. At the GLAC Studio, Chloe worked closely with the instructor and the children. She learned the importance of teamwork, not only in sharing responsibilities but also in learning from others. Whether it was coordinating lesson plans with the instructor or helping children collaborate on group projects, she embraced the power of working together, building trust, and fostering a positive learning environment, demonstrating engagement with issues of global significance. Art is more than just creativity. It's a powerful medium for expression and awareness. Chloe's involvement with the GLAC Studio and the ILC project is contributing to a larger goal, promoting art education as a means of self-expression and emotional well-being for children. By participating in the Sonabo Werkstatt's podcast, she further engaged with a broader discussion of integrating creativity into education, recognizing its significance beyond local boundaries. Recognizing and considering the ethics of choices and actions. Throughout her experience, Chloe consistently reflected on the ethical aspects of her role, ensuring that every child felt heard, respected, and supported. She understood the responsibility of working with young minds and approached her role with integrity, patience, and empathy. Her ability to make ethical decisions and consider the impact of her actions was evident in the strong relationships she built both with students and the instructor. As Chloe's CAS project officially comes to an end in March 2025, her journey with the GLAC studio is far from over. Inspired by her experience, she has made the decision to continue being an active part of the GLAC's art classes, but she isn't stopping there. She is also preparing to contribute further to the Innovative Learning Center project, bringing her creativity and experience into an even broader educational setting. Her dedication to the GLAC studio and the ILC project exemplifies the true spirit of CAS. She embraced challenges, worked collaboratively, and made a lasting impact on both students and the institution. Her journey is a testament to the power of service and creativity, values that define both CAS and the mission of the GLAC studio. Chloe leaves behind not just completed hours, but a legacy of inspiration and leadership. Her story is a shining example of how young individuals can create meaningful changes in their communities.
Thank you, Chloe, for all your incredible contributions to the Guiding Light Art Company and its students. Your presence and dedication has left an indelible mark, not just on the startup, but also has sparked this amazing creative energy within the younger ones. And we look forward to having you around as we continue this journey creating our Innovative Learning Center project. So, wishing you all the very best for your future. Thank you.